Right, so how much grease should you use? So there's no real rule on it, you just want plenty on here, plenty on here. I just scoop some out, slap it on, and I'll also chuck a little bit in there. So you don't want too much because excess grease attracts dust. And also, once I put this shell on, I will then be putting that rubber ring back on. That also wants a very small bit of grease on it. So it's very rough how I do it. This was not the recommended method. There is no recommended method. Lots of grease, but not too much. That should do. And then I'm going to chuck some inside here as well. And that's it really. I think that should be enough. Then same for that side. Oh, that carbon fibre for my motors. Right, and then I'm going to go and wash my hands. Before I do that, right, so that, in that video, that's my YouTube channel, I spray up, you can get this stuff in a spray, and I just held it in my hand and I sprayed. It only needs a thin bit, but I've run out of that spray, so I've just got a bit left over my finger. I've cleaned it already, that's what I was doing last night. So it's just on the flat bit. It's pretty obvious which side's which, but so I'm just going to do this. Smother a bit, maybe a little bit more, just a small amount. This you definitely don't want too much on, because this is, if you put too much grease on here, it will attract the dust and it will suck dust into your gear drive. So as the camera's probably not going to pick it up, there's way too much on there. That don't matter. I'm going to put too much on there now. After I put it on, I'm going to wipe away any excess. I've lost the other one. The hell have I done with it? Oh, there it is. So yeah, this is the other one which I've cleaned. Again, I'm just going to smother a bit around the inside. Flat bit, sort of flat bit. Right, so I've probably got too much. I'll leave it there for a minute. After I put it on, again, I'm just going to wipe off the excess. You see I've got excess here? I'll get rid of that with a tissue in a minute, but I just need to wash my hands. This stuff is horrible.